as you can see, I'm over here at FedEx. Just dropped off a package. Shout out to the receipt. Also grabbed a box. Shout out to the box. 20 by 20 by 20. All right, it's that time. It's a pocket dump Wednesday. So I figured I'll share what I'm carrying. As usual, if you saw my last video, Maxpedition wallet. Man, this thing is a beast. I'm telling you. I've had this thing for a very long time. It just doesn't want to rip. Okay, so that's that. Next item. This slip case, I just made this a couple of days ago. It came out right. The back, some strange reason, always goes off to the side, but the front, kind of decent. So I'm still practicing. In that is the DMKusa friction folder I made a while back. Shouldn't have done that. I almost cut myself. It's aluminum handle with a recycled file. This thing is pretty sweet. It's in my personal collection. This one it's one of those knives that just, I just can't get rid of. So that's in that. And let me see. Of course, my phone. And also, I got the, what's this one? The Crew, I forget. So, Spyderco CPM Crew Wear with the micarta. I did an acid bath on it. Stressed it out. Made it a little more, nicey nice. Yeah, this thing is sweet. Smooth. Man, it's too smooth. Look at that thing. So yeah, can't go wrong with that, right? I think that's it. That's all I'm carrying. That's all I need for today. I gotta go back home. As you saw, it's raining out here. Shout out to the rain. And yeah, it's gonna be a nice little lovely ride home. All right, FedEx, I gotta get going. All right, so until the next time, take care.